Hey guys, we received this Fuson convertible chair with Ottoman bed, 4-in-1 multifunctional folding Ottoman. So it can be used as a sofa bed, couch bed with adjustable backrest, sofa bed, couch for living room, apartment or any other way. So you can see this have a pillow and then this a whole length. So this is when open up completely can go up to 66 inches or 71 inches in total, and then also have this side pockets. So it's a very nice comfortable fabric with the thick foam, and you can see like you can adjust this in the back and can use it as a chair, lounger or any other thing. So here like it can go up to this side in the back, and then you can just push it back. So this can be a really good bed as well. So as I mentioned, total height is around 28 inches and total length is around 71 inches. You can use it as a lounger as well from the both side, and you can just store this inside to make it Ottoman. So once this Ottoman is like this, very nice, or the thick, comfortable form that really comfortable in sitting, and it's a really nice Ottoman and packed really well. And then you can change it to all the different shape and sizes. So here you can just take this because the back support is of course adjustable, so you have to be careful, and you have to both take both things all together. So as I said, this is arrangeable thing. So this is, you have to arrange it not the way it is. So it's a high density sponge as I mentioned, with a premium linen or the material. So total 4-step backrest adjustment, and can be used as a chair as well, with a great relaxing reading, and you know the level you want. It's up to you. So you can do a lot of stuff with this adjustable thing. So a pillow also come with it that matches with it. So it's pretty nice set. So as I mentioned, it can be used as a ottoman, like this, as a sofa or chair, and then you can open it again to make it a lounger or a bed. So it's a rough and tough, so I'm a little bit tough on it, so I can see like how much is the quality. So you can just open this from the side, and then this can be a bed. You can put this cloth down or up to you, but I just like it up, so that's why. And there's a pillow, then now this is a bed. So the one person can sleep on it very nicely and comfortably. So great thing to have. So if any extra person came, you can easily ask them to sleep on this. No need to put uh, on the ground. And then I am almost like 5'10", so this is pretty much comfortable for me as well. And now you can also use it as a lounger, like you can sit it with your backrest, and you can also lower the front part, and then can be easily used as a backrest too. So you can see ottoman with the back and all the different things that you can do with it. I really like the material, the fabric, the foam is a high density foam, so pretty good with the side pockets, so you can put in your mobile or anything. It's a very less space taking, so or I will say it's a space saving thing, and it have a multiple uses, so it's pretty much good to have and can be used for all different purposes. So I have a really nice impression on this one, and I like changing it to the different things. This is how you can transform into a bed. So full length bed that can be easily used. You can just put this thing inside, and this is a Ottoman now with a space saving design. So they also come with this small hooks that you can put on the bottom so it will not scratch the furniture. So just clean the bottom and then just put it as a sticker. It will stick on it and then it will protect your floor. So everything is planned really carefully and then it's a nice design to have this Ottoman with the different purposes. So as I mentioned, you can also put in the clothes inside and then just put it like outside to cover up the stuff. So here you can use it as a lounger. Just put in the down and it's a lounger seat with the adjustable backrest. So I will say it's a multi-function, multi-use, whatever you want to use and easy to put in or the store, easy to clean stuff. So fabric and with the high density sponge form. So this is a top view. So you can see the side one is down and then you can just store in. So put the first thing down, then your second thing down, and this is all set. So overall, a really nice Ottoman, very helpful and very nice.